G'day folks, and welcome back to another Rolly Round the Campfire. It's been a little while, but we've decided to get away for a quick weekender, or overnighter, just to a local camp near Smalley's Beach, so you'll probably see the video for that. But I'm going to do a cook-up of a breakfast that we like to do. It's coconut bread, and it's pretty much 3 ingredients. You have flour, sugar. Actually no, it's 5 ingredients.
5 ingredients, yeah.
It's all equal parts. So it's flour, sugar, pineapple, coconut milk and coconut. So what you do, you put a cup of flour in. So you've got our little trusty measurer. So it's close to 1 cup. Then we got caster sugar, 1 cup again, but I tend to try and go a little bit below a cup with the sugar, just maybe 3/4, just to keep it a little bit healthy. And then coconut, so you use shredded coconut or just normal coconut, whatever you want. In she goes. Just give them a bit of a mix together. As you might notice, we're inside the new van in the kitchen. It's become quite handy. Normally factories come with stovetop here, but we opted to have that removed and just go with the bench top, which works well for us. We've got a induction cooktop as well, so if we need to cook inside we can use that. So we just chuck our bits of pineapple in there. If you're not a fan of pineapple, you don't have to add it. This is just something that we've added to the recipe over time, because we just thought it might add that little bit of extra element. And then yeah, your coconut cream. So yeah, it's equal parts, 1 cup coconut cream, 1 cup self-raising flour, 1 cup of coconut, and then 1 cup of caster sugar, or just a little bit less like we do. And yeah, just your pineapple then. Give it a good mix. And just makes a nice sort of cake batter. You know, mixy. And then yeah, you get your little baking tray. So I just use like a bread bread tin that I've got. Works well for this. Just like that. And then I'll get a bit of butter, if we've got any. Yep. And I'll just grease the tray and flour it, just make it a little bit easier to get the bread out once it's done. So lovely assistant's getting out the paper towel for me. Thank you.
On there.
Here's one we prepared earlier. Yeah, so I just grease and flour the tray. Just another bit. Bit easier to get it out. And yeah, you can make this, you know, like we do it for breakfast because we like it, table with our coffee in the morning, but you know, you can make it for a dessert, a bit of a lunchtime snack, whatever you really want. And can put icing on it. But yeah, we really like to cook it, have it ready the night before, and then the next morning we'll get it out and we'll like fry it just lightly in the frying pan, and that toasts it up a little bit, and then just put some nice butter on it, and it is delish. So you just flour your tin, try and stop it sticking.
Just tip it into your pineapple tin.
So we are. So there we just get our batter. We'll give her another quick mix of a hydration break.
Very important.
Extremely important, especially in this hot climate in the northern tropics. And yeah, we'll just chuck that in the tray. So you want a little bit like in between, like a damper and a cake batter, I'd say, is what your sort of consistency is, what you're looking for. And then we'll chuck it in the camp oven. Yeah, so we just level him out a bit so it cooks nice and even. And yeah, we'll take him out to the fire and get him cooking. So yeah, we chuck them in the camp oven, you know, about 180 to 200 degrees, I reckon. And yeah, let it sit for about 25 minutes and should be good. Just chuck some coals on the lid. So what you're looking for with this is probably something like 30% heat underneath, 70 on top, and then let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and then check it and just see where you're at with your temperature control. But if it takes you 25 minutes, if it takes you 15 minutes, if it takes you an hour, just keep checking it, make sure it's cooking all right, and just adjust it as you need.
The coconut bread. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Clean nice.
Clean as a whistle.
Ooh, that'll be breakfast tomorrow.
So tasty.
Toasted with a little bit of coconut cream and berries, or just by itself.
Just toasted with some butter melted on it. Ooh.
Oh, good job. Yum yum.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yum.
So let that cool there.
Yeah. Rightio, breakfast time.
So that's the yummy coconut bread.
Coconut and pineapple.
What I do is I'll just slice it.
Nice and thick.
And then we'll just toast him on the frying pan. It's nice just like that, how it is. That is for sure. But we just, for the breakfast, give it a bit of a morning toast. Put a bit of butter on it, it's delicious. Have a bit of a pre-breakfast snack.
Oh, smells good. Righto. We get this into us and we got to get packed up, sadly. And then we're going to go park in the day area and see if we can catch some more of those whiting we had to go at yesterday. See how we go.
See, we got a crabby.
Oh yeah, we got to check the crab pot too. Rightio, I jumped the gun a bit. It smelled too good. So yeah, I've just got it all toasted up and slather on a big bit of butter. Look at that. So good. Good, good. Gonna get this into us, pack up, and head on down the beach for a fish. Fingers crossed we got a couple of crabs in the pot, that'd be nice. We'll let you know.